In this video, I'll show you how to speed up a video on your iPhone, whether it was recorded in slow motion or it's just a normal video that feels too slow. So if you have a video that drags on and you want it to play faster, there are two easy ways to do this. I'll walk you through both options. First, let's talk about videos recorded in slow-mo. If you open the camera app on your iPhone and swipe over to slow-mo, that means the video is recorded in slow motion by default. The good news is, it's very easy to turn that back into a normal speed video. Open the Photos app and select the slow motion video. Tap Edit in the top right corner. At the bottom, you'll see the slow motion timeline with two vertical lines. You can drag those lines together to remove the slow motion section completely. Another quick option is to tap the speed icon at the top and set the playback speed to 100%. Now when you hit play, the video will play at normal speed again. However, this only brings the video back to normal speed. It doesn't make it faster than normal. So if you want to speed up a regular video or go faster than normal speed, you'll need a free third-party app. I recommend CapCut. Open the App Store, search for CapCut, download it, and open the app. It's completely free and very easy to use. Once you're inside CapCut, tap New Project and select the video you want to speed up. Tap on the video so it's highlighted, then swipe through the tools at the bottom and tap Speed. Choose Normal, and now you can increase the speed like 2x, 5x, or even faster if you want. Once you adjust it, play the video and you'll see it runs much quicker. If you only want to speed up part of the video, here's how to do that. Move the playhead to where you want the speed up to start and tap Split. Then move to where you want it to stop and tap Split again. Now tap on just that middle section, tap Speed, choose Normal, and increase the speed. When you play it back, you'll see the video play normally, speed up in the middle, and then return to normal. When you're done, tap Export in the top right corner, and the video will save to your Photos app. If this video helped you, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who might find it useful. We're a new channel, and your support really helps. Thanks for watching.